all little birdies, they like to millet. So, you know, I have spray millet on hand. It's a good birdie. Yeah. You're my baby. You're my baby bird. You're so cute. So beautiful. This bird's got a lot of really pretty colors. It's got that bright turquoise on the tail. And when they get a little older, sometimes the face is almost turning reddish, like bright carnelian. Is that what's his name? Anyway, he looked like a little piece of watermelon. Yeah. Baby, what have you do? Oh. It's in a little nest. Isn't he cute? Look at you. Little bird. It's a little birdie. Oh, you're beautiful. What pretty eyes. What pretty eyes you have. Yeah. Present with the bird. And you have no thinking, it's just presence. You can hear, like I can hear the air conditioning, I can hear Alan's voice in the distance. And you just become totally aware and aware of the little bird. And sometimes you can get them to fall asleep doing that. It's just so sweet. You are such a sweet birdie. Let's see. Oh, you know, you. Yeah. Oh, you're such a sweet bird. Yeah. Yeah. You're my sweet bird. Yeah, you're so totally relaxed. Isn't that precious? Oh, honey, you're a wonderful bird. And, you know, their feathers are just like satin. Oh, they're so smooth. Yeah. You, sometimes try to get into a Zen mode with your little birdie, and just everything's silent, and you don't think about anything except the awareness of your body and the little bird. You can listen, like I can hear the air conditioning right now, and I can feel my senses, and I can feel this little guy. It's like being totally aware, and you can actually get your little best friend to fall asleep that way. Yeah. Oh, sweet birdie. You're my precious little bird. Yes. You're my precious little birdie.